Friends, welcome back to my channel. 74LS154 or 54LS154. Either it is 74154, S154, LS154, HCT154, F154. These all are from same family. Just only switching speed, output current, this is the difference. Function wise, these all numbers are same. 4 to 16 line decoder. In my last videos, I discussed 2 to 4 line decoder. Then I discussed 3 to 8 line decoder, and this IC 74154, 54154. 74154 is commercial standard. It works at 0 to 70 degrees centigrade. This is military standard and industrial standards. It works from negative 40 degree to 125 degree temperature. 4 binary inputs, that is hexadecimal code, 4 line, 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's check its data sheet. 74LS154, this is generic number. 4 to 16 line decoder, demultiplexer. 24 pin IC, pin number 24, positive VCC 5 volt. 4.75 to 5.25, these are its supply voltage. Ground. Pin number 12. Then strobe inputs, gate inputs G1 and G2, pin number 18 and 19. These are its enable pins, control pins. Then A, B, C, D, pin number 23, 22, 21, 20. These are 4 inputs, 1, 2, 4, 8. That means this is LSB, then first bit, second bit, and this is the highest bit, that is 8. Then this IC has 16 outputs. Pin number 1 is first output, output number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is the output sequence, and here is its logical diagram. When pin number 18 and 19 are active low, this IC will start working. Anytime if any one gate pin, strobe pin, enable pin is pulled up or is set to high, this IC will stop functioning. When these both inputs, control inputs, are low, then this IC will start functioning. A, B, C, D. This hexadecimal data, BCD, it will select output. Based on this data, this IC will turn on just that equivalent decimal number. For example, 00, it will turn on its first bit. Let's check this function table or truth table. When G1, G2 are low, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 4, 8, all inputs are low, output number 0 is low. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, output number 1 will on. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, output number 2. So it will turn on one by one output, and its output is active low. Which address we will select, that pin will become low, other all pins will remain high. So it is address selector or decoder. Let's check it practically. I connected 330 ohm resistor to anode of the LED, cathode is grounded. So this is the set which I connected here. Output number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Same as here. 15, and first output is 0, 0. From 0 to 15, 16 outputs. We are able to provide 16-digit data from here. When input is 0, 0, this is low side bit and this is highest bit. When all input pins are low and gate pin, strobe pins are low, here this IC is working. We selected address 0, output number 0 is on. If we will set gate pin anyone, G1 or G2, too high, this IC will not respond to any input circuit. We are providing input here, but this IC is locked. G1 or G2. Any control input, enable input is high, this IC will not work. Both enable pins must be low because these are active low inputs. This is 0, output number 0. 1, equivalent binary number 001, first output is active low. 2, 0010, this output. 3, 001, we selected here 3, 3 here, output number 3 here. 4, 0100, this output is on. 5, 6, 0110, this output is on. If we see its truth table, 00110, output number 6 is low, L. All outputs are H, high output, logic 1, 7, 111, 100, that is equivalent binary number for 8, 1000, output number 8 is selected here, 9, A. This is 1010, that is decimal number 10, but here A, hexadecimal number A. A is 1010, that is here. B, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, F. F, 1111, the last output, 15 number. This is the function of demultiplexer, address decoder, decoder, address selector. Because this IC is decoding 4 lines into 16 lines, so that is reason it is called 4 to 16 line decoder. If you think this video is informative for you, then you can like it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.